Welcome everybody, this is Mike Hamilton for Trade the Easy Way, and this is we're just 20 minutes into the Euro session here on the last day of August 2016, and we're looking at the pound yen. This had a great run. So you can see on this daily chart here, I've got these this channel going. We're just poking our head up through the midline of this channel. Let me try and clarify that for you. So we've had, yesterday was a good but a very slow grind up. We did about 100 points in about 6 hours, and here we are. Where's the resistance level? Well, the resistance level is 630. We've got, that's the breakdown area of the 5th of July, and the pivot up on the 14th of July. So I'm looking at, so are we going to poke our head just through this midline and then fall back and come and do a decent pullback to something like the 350 area, or is this just going to march on? Well, I think we at least need a pullback to 450, somewhere in the 450, 470 area. So I'm short as we speak. The counter trend trades I've gone in small size, and I'm just about break even, I think. Yeah, I'm break even as we speak. You can't see the you can see my entry there, so you can't see the tickets on the left. Take it from me, I'm break even at the moment. If we break down through 515, then I stand a chance of getting a sort of 40-50 pip move. Okay, so a bullish move, I will be buying pullbacks. 200 EMA is up here. The 20 simple moving average is down here at 212. So we are a little extended, and so far, if you look at what happens to this one, it doesn't, this is the distance from the 20 simple moving average here, so we tend to, this instrument has been sticking to this like glue on the whole, and once we get to a certain level above it, we tend to gravitate back to it, and that's what I'm looking for here. We are a little bit extended from it, so just seeing if we can come back in contact with it and then get another good push high. We've got very little, no UK data today. We had some house price inflation. That's all. So okay, so I'm looking for a pullback on that one. Let's turn to the pound US. This is, let's look at the 4 hour on this one, because this is got a lot of congestion above. So we had this push up, now we're getting this pullback. So far we're holding, but US jobs is going to be crucial. When you got, we had the US Bankers Forum last week, Jackson Hole, and the Fed Chair, Janet Yellen, hinted that we were getting very, very close to rates. So the market are pricing in potentially a couple of rate rises this year. US jobs and inflation are going to be crucial to this. So if we get a pullback to 150 area, that is going to be a potentially good area to short. Because I think, this drop down here on last Friday, after the Jackson Hole speech, was indicative of what the market wants to do, and so therefore we need to look for a short. So let me take this off, because what I'm going to do now is set an alarm for, I'm going to set an alarm for that 168 level, and then see if that can get short for me. Euro. I did squeeze a few pips out of Euro yesterday, but it's not an easy chart at the moment. Well, it hasn't been an easy chart for a long time. Oops, sorry about that. So we hit this resistance line. We're just under the 200 EMA, so any pullbacks, got inflation at 10 o'clock, so I'll be looking at 10 o'clock just to see where that one could go. But a pullback into anything between 160 and 170 will be a nice place to get short on that one. A little bit of a tough play yesterday. But looking for a short one on that one. Okay, let's just flick to US dollar yen. I would like to see 260 on this. 250, 260. Now currently 320, so it's getting away from me. Right, quick look at oil. Got invents today. I think this is a bullish consolidation. This 46 is massive. A lot of selling pressure yesterday. I would look to see where we are. 45 would be a great place to get long. So let's see if we get a pullback to 45. Gold. I see this as weak. I keep reading reports about how people should be buying gold, being told to buy gold. I've been reporting how this is just weaker. I think we could come all the way down to 1250, 1260. And today I'll be telling, have a look, if you're interested in gold, have a look at that after the jobs data. We haven't looked at the Dow. This Dow was really very tricky yesterday, so we had a good, very, very bullish, swift move up on Friday. See how this 15 EMA, sorry, 15 simple moving average is playing a key role in this chart. We're just flapping around either side of it, not knowing what to do at the moment. We've got the resistance up there, and that support at 18,260. I think 260 is begging to be tested, so I will be looking for a short into 480 today. And that's my video, so I'm going to leave it there. Let's look at a couple of stocks. Let's do a quick look at UK banks, because Lloyds has done well off of this 53 mark. We had a good few weeks out of this. I would look for a pullback as up to 55, 56 as an opportunity to get in this. I think this one is doing well, and I think if we start closing above 70, I think this could do very well. You can see what happened down here at 50, the 50 mark. A lot of bargain hunters came in at 50. So keep an eye out for 55. Let's have a look at Barclays. We've got a gap at 152. And so we've got a gap down here. So So pretty range bound, but perking up. I think that will pull back. I'm hoping that will pull back in the autumn and give us an opportunity to get in. So look at the supermarkets. So a nasty drop from Morrison's. What do I think will happen to that? I think that is lower. I would bracket, if you really want to trade this one, I would bracket high and lower today and see which way we go. If we did a partial pullback to 195 and started to see a sell signal, I would want to get in on that. Intense competition on these supermarkets. Yeah, we've got Sainsbury's coming off as well. But a lot of support down here. Alright, I'll leave that video there and update you tomorrow.